Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more banking comparisons and financial advice. All the links mentioned in this review are available in the description below, based on my personal experience using these banks. Fifth Third Bank vs Sophie Bank, which reigns supreme? In this video, we're pitting Fifth Third Bank against Sophie Bank to help you determine the ideal financial institution for your specific needs. For a deeper dive into each bank's offerings, explore the links provided in the description. Let's analyze their features, target demographics, and overall performance. Fifth Third Bank, with headquarters in Cincinnati, Ohio, primarily serves the Midwest and Southeast. They offer a comprehensive range of financial services, encompassing personal and business banking, mortgages, loans, and wealth management. A notable feature is their Momentum Savings program, which simplifies saving by rounding up debit card purchases. Their user-friendly mobile app facilitates bill payment, goal tracking, and mobile check deposits. With a vast network of over 1,000 branches and ATMs, Fifth Third caters to individuals and businesses seeking accessibility and practical digital tools. Furthermore, they offer specialized lending options and cash flow management resources tailored for small businesses. Sophie Bank, based in Columbus, Georgia, concentrates its services in the southeastern United States, providing a variety of personal and business banking solutions. Sophie's strength lies in its dedication to small business banking. They offer customized, industry-specific guidance, cash management tools, and specialized lending options. Their competitive credit card rewards program is attractive to those who value earning perks on daily spending. While Sophie provides dependable digital banking services, they lack some of the advanced features offered by Fifth Third Bank. However, Sophie's personalized customer service and community-focused approach are significant advantages. So, which bank emerges as the victor? Fifth Third Bank excels in its advanced digital tools, innovative savings programs, and broader geographical reach. It's a compelling choice for those who prioritize robust technology and convenient access. Conversely, Sophie Bank is an excellent fit for small business owners and individuals seeking a more personalized banking experience with tailored advice. Ultimately, the best choice hinges on your individual priorities. Whether you value cutting-edge digital innovation or personalized service, be sure to explore the links in the description for more detailed information. This will empower you to select the bank that best aligns with your unique financial goals.